Good morning, I am the old mechanic and I'm still busy on the beast, the BMW S1000R, 160 horsepower, brrr, a lot. And today I'm gonna show you how you can check the chain slag. Now, before we gonna do that, I want to know something. As you can see, this Beamer is on a motor stand over here, and now BMW say it needs to be on the side stand. So I want to know if there is any difference in putting your bike on a motor stand and check the chain slag, or put it on the side stand and check your chain slag. Now, what's important is a certain distance between, we call this the rear bridge, but I'm not sure how you call it. A point on the rear bridge which is able to tilt, lift, and some point on the frame. And I found two. There is this bolt over here, which is welded, I guess. The bracket is fine. This is a fixed point on the rear bridge, and over there is a screw, a bolt, which is attached to the frame. So I'm gonna measure the distance, how it is now, and then how it is on the side stand. I don't think there is any difference, but we're gonna find out. I'm gonna hold this one in the middle of that bolt, and then it's exactly 450 millimeters. Now I'm gonna put the bike on the side stand, and let's measure that again. Just a moment. Now, hop, then it hangs in my pocket. Okay, now this is the bike on the side stand. Now we're gonna see if it has lowered. I don't think, but well, it is actually, yep. It's now, the rear end has gone up. Don't know why. Perhaps now there is less weight, there is less weight on the frame. It hangs so, but now it's 459 millimeters. So the bike has raised 9 millimeters. And that's important for the chain slag. Now let's see. BMW say in the manual the chain slag needs to be measured on the side stand, which it is now, somewhere in the middle of the front sprocket, that's over there, and the rear axle, that's over there. And it should be in between 35 and 45 millimeters. Now let's see. Up, up, up. Hopefully I'm not with my big head. And let's say it's this is somewhere in the middle. Yeah, over here. Now, first push it gently down. It goes now from 85 millimeters to, push it up, 45 millimeters. So that's 40 millimeters. So that's perfectly in the middle. Now guys, this bike, the chain slack, is perfectly within spec. But suppose you have to readjust the chain slack. Well, that's easy. I'm gonna show you. You need a socket 34 that fits over here. You need a torque wrench, because the rear axle needs to be torqued at 100 Newton meters, including Loctite onto this baby. Then you need 2 wrenches, 13 mil for the locking nut, that's over here, and 10 mil to get your chain tighter or looser. Be sure to do it at both sides exactly the same. You can see that in here. Oh, in here. There are markings. Keep them on both sides the same. Well guys, it was a quick video. How to check your chain slack. That's very easy. You can do it yourself with a few tools I just explained. Hopefully you liked it. And if you do, subscribe and hit the notification button, so whenever I uploaded a new video, you'll be informed right away. Let's see. No, that was it for now. Old mechanic.